Hey guys, so it is Vlogmas day 5 and I'm gonna be honest, I'm like trying to come up with something to do that would be like worthy of vlogging, but I'm gonna go ahead and do advent calendars. Zach is gonna get us some food. We're eating something just absolutely terrible. I don't even want to tell you. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with Glossy Box. Let's into it. Can't believe it's already day 5. Uh-oh, that one fell. Okay, so we're on day 5. Sorry, I have no makeup today, and I'm probably not going to wear any tomorrow because I have to go in at 8. This is the Philip Kingsley Elasticizer Intensive Super Conditioning Pre-Shampoo Treatment for all hair types. Conditioning pre-shampoo. Adds elasticity, manageability, bounce, and shine. The fact that it's called the Elasticizer has me intrigued, I'm not gonna lie. Let me see. So you wet hair, apply in sections, work in the hair with fingers, cover with plastic cap. I don't know if I have a plastic cap. Leave on for 10 to 20 minutes before washing. Interesting. Okay, so it's kind of like a pre-wash mask for your hair. That's very interesting. I always want to open more from Glossy Box, but we're gonna be patient. All right, let's get into some Sugar Fina. Hopefully it's a candy that I like today. Day 5. Oh wow, those are pretty big. These are little lips. Wow, look at those. They're little gummy lips. Okay, so these are called Sugar Lips. I don't see a little notch on them. Oh God. Oh, look how cute they are. Look how cute little gummy lips. This is so stuck to my teeth right now. Woo. Okay, so those are good. They're a little bit sour at first, but they're so sticky. Number 5. Got something in a jar. Hey, buddy. Mr. Manners is rubbing on the tripod in case you guys see the. Ooh, this is exciting. This is a pretty good size. So this is the LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I want to say that I've gotten one of these. I'm gonna have to look in my bins and see. So this is a 1 ounce. I don't think that's a full size, but it's pretty darn big. And for an LMS product, I'm super, super excited. I think I'm gonna keep both of those for myself. Unless I like have the LMS Pro Collagen Cream, then I may share it. But I'm pretty excited. All right, so that's it for advent calendars. I've still got some editing to do, and obviously I'm gonna get my vlog up for today. And I was thinking of doing something in my beauty room really quick, but I can't think of what it is. So I'm gonna go in there. Was I gonna declutter something or what? I'm telling you, my brain today has been like on another level of not functioning. I cried for like 20 or 30 minutes in the office this morning when I went to work because there was a mouse on a sticky pad, and I don't like that. Like, it wasn't my choice to solve the problem that way. Like, I just don't like it. Like, any animal suffering, I don't want that to happen, even if it is just a mouse. And it was squeaking, and I was like freaking out, and I was just crying my eyes out. So that's how my day started, and then it was just kind of a little bit of a stressful one, but nothing major. It's just one of those days, you know. Sometimes like things just don't want to work in your favor. So anyway, that's what my day's been like. I'm gonna go in my beauty room. I do need to straighten up just a little bit while I have a few minutes to myself, and then yeah, let's see what I can accomplish right now. All right guys, so I thought I would take a look at my single shadows. I mentioned the other day that I really needed to. So I'm gonna go through and see what I want to get rid of. I have a lot of the Kat Von D Metal Crush ones. I think these are all in like super good condition. That one I really love as a highlight. I don't see myself getting rid of any of those right now. I think they are like a limited thing, but they are pretty unique. Like, that's the reason I even have them. So I'm going to hold on to those right now. I'm not going to go through those. I have a little Natasha Denona single I'm going to hold on to. Haven't had that long. The NYX are some just like colors. If I have a color in mind and I can't find it in a palette, then I know I have some like bright colors right here. These are the Primal colors. I have this old Stila one. I'm probably gonna get rid of this guy. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of that Stila one. It's super old. My hands are already getting so stained. I have a NARS one. That's really pretty. Ooh. If I continue to declutter every day, I might actually be in good shape. Then we have What's the Tea from the Balm. I haven't had this one very long. I feel like I might have another one of those somewhere. This little Pixie Duo I just got. Actually, I think I might see if my mom would like this. I like Pixie, but like I think this would be like perfect for her. Something super simple. Now these I think I'm gonna get rid of. These are Misha shadows, I'm pretty sure. But I think these are not like, they're very sheer washes of color, and I don't really see myself grabbing these. They were really cute when I got them, but I was just really into ordering like K-Beauty, and I went through a phase where like I had to buy all of these, but honestly they're really sheer, and I have had them for a long time, barely touched them because they're just so sheer. I've got Colored Rain. I think I have at least one or two more of these. This one is in the shade Who Me. Oh, it's such a pretty like metallic. Look at that. Definitely holding on to that one. I've got a lot of room in here, so I want to see how I can better utilize this space. I've got a couple of these little Smashbox ones. I love that they're in like a little lens. These Lancome ones are probably good quality, but I have had them for some time. That one's not bad. Let's see. I just have like random colors in these. I don't even know like, that one's not doing much. Even the first one honestly wasn't that impactful, but oh wow, no, that one's old. You can tell it's just like the pigment isn't even there anymore. Okay, I just threw that one on the ground. Okay. See this like creamy one? Yeah, I actually think I'm gonna get rid of these. I'm gonna save these and see if, except for this one, like that one didn't swatch at all. I'm gonna save the other ones and see if my mom or my aunt would like them. I've barely touched those honestly, so I'm gonna give them a few of these, and the rest, that one is gonna get tossed though, because it seemed like really old. We've got some Clinique single shadows. I don't know if these are gonna show up anymore. My arm's a little wet, but I may be exaggerating that just a little bit. Oh, this is Purple Pumps. I used to wear Purple Pumps all the time back when I worked for Clinique, because I had to basically just like figure out something fun to wear. And I used to actually pair it with this color. Believe it or not, I used to wear those colors all the time. You guys know I'm not like a purple girl, but for some reason I loved that shade. What is this one? Lagoon. I used to make like a peacock eye when I worked at Clinique. No lie. I actually think just because I know that I don't see myself grabbing these, I'm also going to put these in a little pile to see if my mom or aunt would like some, because as you can see, they swatch pretty good. Clinique was definitely like overlooked when it comes to eyeshadows, but they do a pretty good job. At least in their singles. I don't know, their palettes, like especially the holiday ones, I don't think are that amazing, but these are pretty nice. And they love going through anything I'm getting rid of and seeing if there's something that they'd like. So yeah, those still seem pretty darn nice. So I'm gonna put the Clinique and Lancome ones aside, and wow, I really made some space. I'm gonna get rid of all these right here because they're just honestly just taking up space. And then I'm gonna find, I think I have a few more things to put in here. Also, I was thinking about using a row for like mini highlights, mini bronzers, things like that. Possibly, I don't know yet. But this is looking pretty good. I'm happy with that little declutter. Alright guys, so I had some dinner. I'm about to put on the cute kitty socks from Bath & Body Works. Actually, I'm going to put them on right now. So we've got a fire going, and I'm going to edit this vlog really quick. And then I am going to have some ice cream and watch another episode of This Is Us. Anyway, that's what's going on. I'm about to just cuddle up on the couch and have a little quiet evening. I have to go in early, like I said, tomorrow, so I'm gonna wrap everything up. I know this was like a really short Vlogmas day, and not a lot was going on in this one. Hopefully you guys don't mind, and I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas day 6. It's crazy that nearly a week of December has already passed. Oh my god. Also, don't forget I have my giveaway going on for the beauty blenders, the Tarte cheek trios, and all the face mask and eye mask. And there's going to be 2 winners that I will pick at the end of the week. So be sure that you are active. Again, all you have to do to enter is be active on my Vlogmas videos and be active on Instagram. And I'll probably pull, like, you know, 1 winner from Instagram, 1 winner from YouTube. But as long as I see that you're commenting and, you know, you're showing up and watching the videos, that's all you need to do. Of course, be subscribed and follow too. But that's it for now. I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 6. Bye!